Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a high-bit workspace so tonal jumps stay smooth. Open your image, add a new layer, and paint a precise edge mask with a 13px soft brush where black needs highlighting. Use selection tools to snap to contours. Refine with a small feather so highlights blend. Once done, convert that painted area to a mask on a duplicate layer and set that layer aside for targeted adjustments. This prevents global shifts while keeping control of the edge region. You now turn the mask into the actual edge highlight. Duplicate the masked layer and experiment with overlay or soft light to add contrast. If needed, reduce opacity to taste. Apply a curves adjustment to brighten only the masked pixels, pull midtones up gently, and watch blacks retain depth. Soften the transition using a Gaussian blur between 0.5 and 2px. This removes hard edges. Make sure to toggle the mask to refine where the highlight appears, erasing any spill onto non-edge areas. You finish by balancing the highlight into the image. Tweak the duplicate layer opacity and refine the layer mask with a low opacity brush until the contrast reads natural. For micro adjustments, use dodge at 5–10% on the masked area to pick out tiny edges or burn to restore depth where needed. If an obvious halo shows, reduce blur, increase mask feather subtly, or switch blending modes. Finally, step back and toggle the layer on and off to confirm the highlight improves edge clarity without flattening the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.